a one more train. I started collecting trains when I was only 5. I've got so many now, they're stacked 6 feet high. How many more I need, I can easily explain. All I really need is just one more train. One more train, one more train. All I really need is just a one more train. People think it's sad and it sounds pretty strange, but all I really need is just a one more train. I love my little trains, they're like children to me. I tuck them in at night and give them TLC. Before I go to bed, I tell my wife sleep tight. Then I roll right on over and kiss my train good night. One more train, one more train. All I really need is just a one more train. People think it's sad and it sounds pretty strange, but all I really need is just a one more train. We were driving home one day when my wife started to complain. She said, "Honey, it's either me or those silly little trains." I'll never forget that day driving home in the car. "Honey, you know I still love you wherever you are." One more train, one more train. All I really need is just a one more train. People think it's sad and it sounds pretty strange, but all I really need is just a one more train. Today I went down to the local hobby store and I bought me engine 104. Now some of you might think I'm the luckiest guy alive, but all I can think about is engine 105. One more train, one more train. All I really need is just a one more train. People think it's sad and it sounds pretty strange, but all I really need is just a one more train. All I really need is just a one